got an exhaust off of Amazon today, just some knockoff $60 thing, and I'm gonna put on my wife's Polaris Sportsman 500 and see just the sound quality of it. It's a good friggin' I'd say 10 pounds for sure. Alright, so here's the new one. In much comparison, it's already lighter than what this one is there. Alright, let's gather up the parts. Comes with new spring and all that fun stuff. New bolt to bolt it up. Hanger. Nice rubberized hanger so you don't scratch nothing. Ouch. Oh, my leg don't work my way. Are you kidding? Same size. So it looks like it already has wrong sizing. It's supposed to be 1.5 inch ID, and well, it's the same size OD as the pipe is now, so this is not slipping over top the 1.5 inches. So it looks like I'm going to have to cut this end piece off. Alright, there's the piece I needed. Alright, so that's how she looks. I don't care, it's just my wife's beater. We beat it out in the bush and mud and shit, so trails, doesn't matter. Let's see, let's put it on. Yeah. Alright, let's just start it up and see what it sounds like for now. I can always put that clamp on in a second, not a big deal. Just want to hear it. Not too bad. Whew. A little spicy hot. Well, that's it. My DB killer. Definitely a whole lot of noxious, gonna piss a lot of people off. Can't wait, I'm excited.